How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your SQ11 Mini DV Camera to mobile. So in order to connect it, you actually have to get an OTG cable, which is the on-to-go cable. It will simply look something like this that's compatible with your device. So of course, in order for the camera to work, you need to insert a SD card right here. And then what you want to do is just get the actual SD card, and then you want to once again use something like the OTG right here, which supports SD card, or you could also try using one of these cables right here. You could try plugging it directly onto the camera using the USB port. As we can go ahead and see, we have the USB port right here. Connect the device directly through this OTG cable and the other end to your phone. Depending on your phone, it could be Type-C or the USB-A cable, and simply from there you're good to go. But to make things a lot easier, you could use one of these ones where you just have to insert the SD card, and from there you're good to go. You have access to the files of your SQ11 Mini camera. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.